We're diving into the world of YouTube branding and why it's absolutely essential for your YouTube success. I assist freelancers and YouTube content creators with personal branding, digital design, and customization tools. And if that sounds like something you're looking for and you're wanting to start a YouTube channel, but you don't know psyche should be thinking before you start the channel. I started the channel back in 2009 and I had no strategy. I am that girl to tell you. Ooh, I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. What's up, what pop, y'all? It's your girl, Stacey Reed, and today we're going to be talking about YouTube branding. If you want to be dead serious, like you want to be dead serious about your channel, you have to go into it strategically. If you want to be a brand, if you want to be a personal figure, or you just want to be the expert go-to person that people look to for a specific topic, this is the video you want to watch. Okay? So the very first thing you should think of creating a memorable YouTube name that everyone else does not have, is not similar to nobody else's. And a lot of y'all think it's good to use y'all real names as y'all YouTube channels. I don't recommend it. It's the whole identity part, the real identity part, not the brand identity, but your identity. I don't know about that. You know what I'm saying? I do not recommend y'all starting y'all channel with your first name and your last name like this Facebook. Like, don't treat it like Facebook in that essence, okay? Your channel name is often the first thing that people will see. And it can make a huge difference how easily your channel sticks in their minds. So keep in mind, when you are picking out a YouTube channel name, you want one that is catchy, one that is memorable, easily comes to mind, and gives a hint on what your topic is, okay? You can change your channel name over time, okay? But I do not recommend y'all change your channel name like every week, every month, every year. Like, really find something that you like, oh, okay, this gonna stick. I can see this sticking. Like, find something that's just right there in your heart. I saw somebody's channel the other day. They just subscribed to my channel. No diss. I don't know if they have a channel or not because I didn't look and see. But somebody put boy with the camera. That was their YouTube name. And I'm like, yeah, it's easy to remember, but it's not compelling. It's very like anybody could make their channel boy with the camera. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want to really put some thought into it, okay? I'm about to like go off topic a little bit. I just want to talk about YouTube with y'all. I don't know what's going on, but all of a sudden YouTube want to show me dudes. Like, YouTube has never really shown me dudes before. Like, I don't know. Am I in the season of dudes or something? Am I in the season? Anyway, uppercase letters, uppercase, lowercase letters with the number in it, and it's like, I don't think people are gonna remember you. I don't know his channel's name. I just know that I like watching his content. Branding is to be recognized. So when y'all see a 7-Up can, what do you remember a 7-Up can looking like? Green, it's white, it's black, and it's red. Those are its brand's colors. Y'all go into the store, y'all know 7-Up for being green. And got a little red, and it's a green can, okay? Now let's use another brand for example. Everybody knows an N on a shoe is New Balance, right? Every time you see that N in the middle of the dang dog shoe, you know it's a New Balance shoe. That is branding. It is to have people recognize and know your brand so that it becomes memorable without even thinking about it. You have to think about putting your name into YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want to upload and be so branded so well. Anytime they see your thumbnails, that's why thumbnail branding is important too. Not just your channel banner. And by the way, I did make a video on a channel banner if y'all want to know how to make one and why is the channel banner important to your branding. Memorable, so that people be like, oh yeah, such and such, I watch them frequently. And then Truth be told, y'all, it's been people that I watch their videos only because no, they is always there uploading. So it breeds like familiarity and you just feel comfortable with them. Like, I don't know, y'all type in the comment section below like who y'all favorite YouTubers are. You know how y'all feel about them. Like, do it just feel comfortable? Do that feel like your friend? Like, do that feel like somebody you can go to? Keep showing up and you keep showing up. That breeds trust. And that also breeds credibility, okay? Either that's it's entertaining you, it's inspiring you, it's motivating you, same diff, or it's making you laugh and you need that. Create consistency, memorability, so people can recognize you. And how you do that is you do that with your brand colors. So for my brand, Sultry Accessory, my brand colors are a light yellow, a bright yellow, a pink, it's like a bright, loud kind of berry pink, with pale orange. And sometimes I even do a bright orange. So sometimes you just kind of want to play off the colors so that, you know, you have a high contrast, then you have a low contrast in color. Okay? And you want colors to balance off each other. Brand identity, visual branding, using colors. Okay? Branding isn't about having just a cool looking logo. It's about creating a cohesive identity that resonates with your audience. A well-branded channel looks professional and communicates what your content is about at glance. Your signature name on YouTube. Okay, look here. You want your signature name, okay? You want your signature colors, your signature fonts. Y'all, if y'all want some fonts on thefont.com, they have plenty of fonts, okay? But you got to know how to download the fonts. I could do a video on that, by the way. I should do a video on that. Just remind me in the comments below. Okay, let's say you've already done this part. Who is your audience? You're struggling on who to talk to. SultryAccessory.com. As soon as you get on the site, there's going to be unlock the heart of your brand. How to create a brand that deeply connects with your audience. It's a guidebook. And I'm telling you, the guidebook, it goes so deep. It goes like, you're going to uncover everything. You're not going to question no more on what videos am I supposed to make? Like, what value am I supposed to give? Like, you're not going to question yourself. You're not going to question your being. You're not going to question your entrepreneurial beginning endeavors because everything is going to be laid out so that you have clarity. And that's what I'm here to give y'all, because for the longest of time, I did not have clarity. And that's why I felt lost. It's because I did not take the time to sit down and ask myself, like, why am I doing YouTube? Am I keep doing these YouTube videos? It's just doing YouTube sporadically. And I'm like, you know what? I know I'm a brand. So I had to get configured, sit down, and ask myself what it is that I really want. What is hindering me from making consistent content? Like, it's not just, oh, I have this, and all these other obligations in life. Yes, you do have all these other obligations in life, but what sacrifices are you taking to make your YouTube channel? Like, sometimes, y'all, watching Think Media podcast, because I think he turned into a podcast now. And there was a lady on there, and she said she was a doctor. Y'all know doctors don't be having no time. And she was like, I created a YouTube channel. I only have so much time to talk to my patients, you know, in the office. But when I sit down and I make my YouTube videos, we can actually have topics and I can speak more about a certain subject or a medical issue or however. So if a doctor can do it, baby, you can do it. Okay? So make sure y'all go get the guidebook so y'all know what your deepest motivations are. What's hindering you? What is it that you want to leave on this earth? A legacy, an impact? You need some money. You by yourself. You don't got no family support. However it is, like whatever your struggle is, whatever your hardship is, and you just know you got to get to it, y'all need to go get that guidebook. For real, for real. I tell you, you going to be like, you going to look at that guidebook. It's going to be so good. It's going to be so juicy because you're going to be like, dang, like this is what I needed. Like I needed a focus. Like I just been all over the place, hanging out with this person and the next person when I really want to make something on myself. But like, how? I'm telling you, get that guidebook. It's on my website, Sultry Accessory. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you don't miss our upcoming branding tips. It's your girl, Sultry Accessories.